Okay guys, so this is signal flow graph. We have to find the overall transfer function. So the signal flow graph consists of 8 nodes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. Okay, and it has 2 individual loops. Okay, and some branches. See, between each node you have a branch, and there is an arrow indicates the flow of signals. It has a gain of 1, and from 2 to 3 in this branch the gain of the branch is G1. From 3 to 4 the gain of the branch is G2. Okay, from 3 to 4 another, there is another branch is there, the gain of the branch is H2. And from 4 to 5 there is nothing mentioned, you have to understand that there is, sorry, here it is missed. Okay, G3. Okay, G3, the gain of between the 4 and 5 is G3. 5 to 6 is G4. G6 to 7 it is G5, and 7 to 8 the gain is 1. Okay, so we have to find the overall gain. The formula is Mason's gain formula. So this is a Mason's gain formula. Delta is equal to 1 minus sum of individual loop gains plus sum of gain products of all possible combinations of two non-touching loops minus sum of gain products of all possible combinations of three non-touching loops. Okay, so we have to find pk, del k and delta. So this delta formula is here. Pk is a forward path gain. Pk is a forward path gain, and delta k is a gain 1 minus gain which is not touching. Okay, gain of the loop which is not touching. Okay, which is not touching the kth forward path. So this is the formula del k. Okay, so first we have to find the forward path gain. So first we have to do forward path gain, right? So how many forward paths are there, we have to see. So what is the definition of forward path? Forward path is a path in which the signal travels from one node to, input node to output node without crossing any node more than once. Okay, so by default in this problem, the straight line, this path is a default forward path in which, see, from 1 to 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there is a path. This is the path. Okay, so this is the first forward path. So you have to draw all those things. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you have to mention the gain, corresponding gain. From 2 to 3 G1, from 3 to 4 it is G2, from 4 to 5 it is G3, from 5 to 6 it is G4, from 6 to 7 it is G5, from 7 to 8 1. So this is a forward path, first forward path. By default in every problem the straight line, okay, the straight line will be the first default forward path. Okay, so this is a forward path 1. So the gain of the forward path 1, P1 is equal to, you have to multiply all the gains. So 1 into G1 into G2 into G3 into G4 into G5 into 1. So it is G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. So this is a forward path gain. Okay, this is a forward path gain of first forward path. So you have one more forward path, second forward path. See, this is a second forward path from 1 to 2, from 2 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Okay, so this is second forward path. Let me draw this. 1, 2, directly it goes to, so this is second forward path. Okay, directly it goes to 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 1, and from 6 to 7 this G5, the gain is G5. From 5 to 6 it is G4, and this is G6. Okay, so this is 1. So this is a second forward path. Okay, this is second forward path. See the path starts from here, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this path the signal travels from input node to output node without crossing any node more than once. So this is second forward path. the gain of the second parallel path P2 is equal to, you have to multiply all the gain branches. So 1 into G6 into G4 into G5 into 1. So it is G4, G5, G6.